So in this video we will see what is set. Set is actually unique collection of data. Unique means there will be no element which will repeat like this. Uh, how we define list set using curly braces and passing comma separated value 1 comma 2 comma 3. Can I pass 1 as well? So there is 1. So it will be not because set is unique collection of data. So let's execute it, what it will return. So it is returning 1, 2, 3. We there is 1, 2 time, but it is returning one time because it only contain unique collections of data. We can add 2 as well, we can add 3 as well. All the values are 2 times, but it will return just one time. So this is the meaning of unique collections of data. It is unordered. Like it will, there is no numbering. There is no fixed convention to store the data. There is no ordering of data while storing, while accessing the element of the set. Like my create a set 132 comma 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. This is my s. Now s, so I stored the value like this. My order was 21456, but it is returning like this 12456. And again I check as, now it is returning 12456. Now printing this value as, so again it is returning 12456, but I stored like 21456. It is unordered. It can return, it is not returning right now, but it can return in any order. It can return in any order. Like it can return 2 in first place, 4 in last place, and 5 in middle, and 6 in middle. It can return. It is not returning right now. We can execute, but it it is possible that it can return because it is unordered collection of data. There is no order. So if there is no order, just it is picking the values and throwing to you randomly. So this is the meaning of unordered collection of data. As we saw that ordered collection of data are list are ordered collection of data, and dictionary are ordered collection of data. But set is not ordered collection of data, but it is unique collection of unordered data. Unique unordered collection of data. So it is supported by indexes because it is unordered collection of data. So there should be no numbering. So if it are unordered, so talking about indexes is nonsense because as you can see, I defined it like this: 2 1 4 5 6, but it is returning 1 2 4 5 6. So zeroth index it belong to both. So it is not possible. It is not sensible that zeroth element is 2 and 1 as well. This is not quantum physics. So it is not supporting index as well. It is, but it is mutable. We can change the value. So how we can change the value, we will see in next videos. So as of now, you can just remember the definition of this, and what is unordered data and what is unordered data, and why it is not supporting index, and why it is mutable. I will discuss this in later video. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. I have only 11 subscriber. So just subscribe my channel.